Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we shall discuss this elimination method. From last couple of days we are discussing how to solve this system of linear equations. Now, in last lesson we discussed this substitution method. Today we shall discuss this elimination method. That is how we can solve a system of equations by making use of this elimination method. Suppose there is a linear equations in two variables. We are discussing these. Suppose this is a question: x plus y is equivalent to 5, and second equation is 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y is equivalent 4. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Last day we discussed how we can use the substitution method, and in that lesson we discussed that we find the value of one of the variables x or y from equation first, then substituting that value in equation second, thereby we get the value of one of the variables. Then obviously we substitute that in equation third and getting that value of the first variable. Now today, what is elimination method? Elimination, we have to eliminate. Elimination means we have to eliminate one quantity which has the same, to make them coefficients same. Suppose x, here it is 2x and here it is x. Now we have to make their coefficients same so as we can eliminate them. This is very simple method in comparison with the substitution method that is a bit difficult, but this elimination method is very simple. We can write this x plus y is equal to 5. Now we shall multiply this by the coefficient of this is 2. Second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. And we are multiplying this whole equation by the coefficient of first x, that is 1. So this is simple. So you will multiply first equation by this 2, quotient of second equation, second x, and equation first by the quotient, equation second by the quotient of first x, that is 1. Now multiplying this is 2x plus 2 into y is 2y is equal to 5 are 10. So this is whole equation should be multiplied. Not only this but the whole equation so that it becomes easier. So 1 multiplied by 2x, it is again 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Then you will subtract. We shall write here multiplying equation first by 2 and second by 1. Now we get this 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 and this is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now subtracting, when we write subtracting, it means we are subtracting the second equation from equation first. When we are subtracting, obviously the signs will get changed. This will become minus and this will become plus, this will become minus. The signs of this second equation will get changed, not first equation, because we are subtracting this equation from this first equation. So 2x and 2x get eliminated. That's why it is called elimination method. This is 2x plus 2y plus 3y is 5y is equal to 10 minus 4. It is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 5. This is the value of one of the variables y. Now you can put in the value of this y, putting the value of y in equation first or second, whatever you like. This is x plus y, instead of 5 we shall write here 6 divided by 5 is equal to 5, so we can write here x is equal to 5. 6 by 5 will be shifted to this side, it will become minus, so x is equal to 25 minus 6 is divided by 5, so x is equal to 19 divided by 5. This is the answer. So this is how we can solve the system of equations by applying this elimination method. Now it will become more clear if we solve more questions by this method. Suppose there is a question like this: 2x plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus y is 2x plus y is equal to 5. Second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. This is 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. This is our equation first and this is our equation second. And we know the elimination method, and we are multiplying second equation by the quotient of first equation, first x side I will say, and equation second by the quotient of first x, and equation first by the quotient of second x. So multiplying, what is the quotient of first x? It is second x, it is 3, and here it is 2. This 3 is multiplied to equation first, and this 2 we shall multiply this 2 to equation second. That is how we do this elimination method. It's very simple. Multiplying equation first by 3 and second by 2. So it's very simple. So there is a quotient of, so we shall write this here: 2x plus y is equal to 5, and we are multiplying this whole equation by the quotient of second x, that is 3. Simple. This 3 is multiplied to equation first and 2 is multiplied to equation second. That is the elimination method. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, and this we are multiplying it by 2. This 3 is multiplied to this and 2 is multiplied to this equation. This is this elimination method. So here we go. 3 2s are 6x. 3 into y is 3y. 3 5s are 15. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 2s are 4y is equal to 8s are 16. Now again subtracting. This is very important step. Subtracting. Subtracting means we are subtracting this second equation from first. Obviously signs will get changed for the second equation, this equation. So 6x and 6x will go. 3x minus 4y is minus 1y is equal to 16 minus 15. This is minus 1. Minus and minus will go. Y is equal to 1. This is the value of one of the variable. Now putting the value of y in equation first, suppose. So what is that? Our equation first is 2x plus y, and instead of y we shall write this value, that's 1, plus 1 is equal to 5. So 2x is equal to 5, plus 1 is minus 1 here. This is 2x is equal to 4. What is x? It is 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So that is it. X is equal to 2. This is the elimination method. It's very simple. So let's attempt one more question so that this will become clear to you, and you can attempt all other questions at your places. Second question is this x minus 3y. X minus 3y is equal to 7, and second equation is 3x minus 3y is equal to 15. So here I go. This is equation number first. This is equation number second. Yes. What shall we do is we are multiplying equation first by this 3 and second equation by the portion of this, it is again here, it is 1. Here 3y, this is again same, we can eliminate these two. If we subtract here also, but let's do the same thing we are doing. X minus 3y is equal to 7. This is 3x. X minus 3y is equal to 7, multiply this by 3. And 3x minus 3y is equal to 15, multiplying this by 1. And we are left with 3x minus 9y is equal to 3 7 are 21. This is 3x minus 3y is equal to 15. Subtracting this will become minus, plus, minus, cancel. This is minus 6y is equal to 6, and y is equal to 6 divided by 6. Minus 6 and 6 will go. Y is equal to minus 1. Now substituting or putting the value of y in equation first. What is our equation first? It is x minus 3 into y. What is our y? Y is minus 1 is equal to 7. X minus 3 ones are 3. Sorry, 3 ones are 3 is equal to 7. X equal to 7 plus 3. X is equal to 10. This is how it goes. But this was very simple elimination method. Inshallah, you will be able to evaluate all these questions by applying this elimination method. Inshallah, tomorrow we shall discuss another method, that is called the cross multiplication method. Till then, Allah Hafiz.